Welcome to the How to Verify that Students are Registered for STAAR Alternate 2 training video. In this training, we will review how to verify student eligibility and how to upload files to register students in bulk to make sure students are administered the correct tests. STAAR Alternate 2 is an alternate assessment based on alternate academic achievement standards. It is a standardized, item-based assessment administered individually to students with the most significant cognitive disabilities who meet the participation requirements. Students in grades 3 to 12 who meet all participation requirements will take STAAR Alternate 2 at their enrolled grade level, or an end-of-course assessment for which the STAAR Alternate 2 assessment is offered. Students who take STAAR Alternate 2 should not take above grade level assessments. Please note that student records must first exist in the Test Information Distribution Engine, TIDE, before student eligibility information can be entered or updated. First, we will review how district and campus testing coordinators can verify that students are correctly registered for STAAR Alternate 2. All students who are eligible for STAAR Alternate 2 must have specific flags turned on in TIDE. First, the Special Ed Indicator code must indicate yes in the Additional Student Information panel. It is important to note that quantities of STAAR Alternate 2 materials districts and campuses receive are determined based on student eligibility in TIDE by the due date listed in the calendar of events. Under the Student Eligibility Summative panel, indicate yes for STAAR Alternate 2 in the Alternate Student Flag tab. For students who are enrolled in or completing courses for which STAAR Alternate 2 EOC assessments are offered, select the applicable tests under STAAR Alternate 2 EOC Eligibility tab. If the Special Ed indicator has not been marked with yes, you will receive an error code when trying to set STAAR Alternate 2 eligibility values. You will not receive test materials or be able to enter student responses in the Response Entry System, RE, for a student unless these flags are appropriately selected in TIDE for that student by the due date listed in the calendar of events. For STAAR Alternate 2, all students will be defaulted to receive regular print test booklets. If a large print version of the test booklet is needed as determined by the student's Admission, Review, and Dismissal (ARD) committee, be sure to indicate large print in the drop-down menu for applicable subjects under the STAAR Alternate 2 Paper Format tab in the Test Format Indicator panel in TIDE. Let us first review how you can search for students who are registered to participate in STAAR Alternate 2. From the Student Information card, select the Manage button. On the Manage Students page, select options for the required criteria. We'll look up grade 9 students who will participate in STAAR Alternate 2 at this demo campus. In the Advanced Search panel, use the drop-down menu to locate the Alternate Student Flag field. You may also type Alternate to quickly find the field. Once you select this field, click Add Selected and select Yes from the STAAR Alternate 2 drop-down menu. Click Search to continue. Your search results include all grade 9 students who are eligible for STAAR Alternate 2 for this campus. You can revise your search criteria in the Advanced Search field to narrow down your search results. In this next example, we will look only for students who are registered to take the STAAR Alternate 2 English 1 assessment. Expand the Advanced Search view and locate the STAAR Alternate 2 EOC eligibility field from the Search Fields drop-down menu. Click Add Selected. Select Yes from the drop-down menu under English 1. Click Search and select View Results to continue. Now your search results include only students who are marked as eligible to take the STAAR Alternate 2 English 1 assessment. From here, you can export your search results to a Microsoft Excel or CSV file. Exporting your search results in the upload format allows you to make necessary updates to the student information, and then use the same file to upload in the Upload Student Information option. We will discuss how you can use the uploaded files to register students in bulk next. We will now review how to upload files to register students in bulk. When using the Upload button on the Student Information card in TIDE to upload student information, TIDE will retain previously uploaded values when specific fields are left blank in the new or subsequent upload files. Refer to the TIDE Upload Student Information File Format document on the TIDE Upload File Formats webpage for detailed information on whether this applies to a specific field. If applicable, blank equals database value retained is included as an acceptable value. If not applicable, a blank value will replace the previously submitted information. The upload process has 4 steps: upload, preview, validate, and receive confirmation. Student files that contain 2,000 or more records are processed offline while displaying the validation results for the first 200 records. TIDE will first validate the remaining records offline and send a validation report via email. TIDE will then commit the error-free records and send a report listing all errors and warnings via email. First, click Download Template to download a template for your upload file. Open the template. Enter information for the students you wish to add using Microsoft Excel or another program, and save the file in Microsoft Excel or CSV format. Alternatively, you may use the Microsoft Excel file you downloaded in the upload format from the Manage Student page to make necessary changes to update students' eligibility for STAAR Alternate 2 and upload it here. The Special Ed Indicator Code (SE) flag, for example, is located in column AE, and the STAAR Alternate 2 flag is located in column AL. For students who are enrolled in courses in which the STAAR Alternate 2 EOC assessments are offered, select the applicable tests under STAAR Alternate 2 EOC eligibility in columns AM through AQ. Be sure to indicate Add when updating student records in column BO. Once you return to TIDE, click Choose File or utilize the drag and drop feature to upload the file. Click Next. The upload preview screen appears. If everything is accurate, proceed to confirm. If your file contains any errors or warnings, the table provides a summary of the validation errors. From the Details table, you may click the red X button next to see what each error is and how to resolve it. To access the Tutorials page from the Information column of the Summary table, users need to choose View a Tutorial. This option is particularly useful for addressing specific issues, such as cases where certain columns in Microsoft Excel need to be set to a text format to prevent the removal of leading zeros or the automatic formatting of dates. Please make sure to resolve all errors before proceeding with the file upload process in TIDE again. In Step 3, Validate, you will receive a Your file has no errors. Continue to the next step, Message, to confirm the error resolution. Another way to make necessary updates to multiple students is by using the Upload Additional Student Fields task on the Student Information card. If all the required fields already exist for your students in TIDE, and you are only making changes to some fields due to recent eligibility or demographic changes, it is recommended that you use this option instead. Here, you see the Upload Additional Student Fields page that district and campus testing coordinators can use to update student eligibility for STAAR Alternate 2, without having to upload an entire student information file. First, download the template and enter the TSDS IDs of students you need to register or for whom you need to make eligibility changes. If you need to make more than one change for a student, multiple rows with the same ID are required. In this example, the first student will be eligible for the STAAR Alternate 2 English 2 assessment, as seen in rows 2 and 3. For the next example, in rows 4 to 6, you will see that this student will be registered for STAAR Alternate 2. Because this student is eligible for a large print test booklet, you see that the large print option has been selected for both mathematics and RLA. When you are finished with the file, upload it to TIDE. If everything is correct on the Upload Preview page, proceed to confirm and complete the upload process. Educators and technology staff may contact Texas Testing Support at 833-601-8821, at texastestingsupport@cambiumassessment.com, or by using the chat feature located on the Texas Assessment Program website. This concludes the How to Verify that Students Are Registered for STAAR Alternate 2 training video. You may review the contents of this video by using the controls on your player.